Hi, I am Nitesh Shahani and this is The Happiness Diaries. आज का जो vlog है that is about Madhura Datir and her creative bits. Now Madhura has been a college friend. MBA days में Guru Nanak Institute of Management Studies में हम मिले थे. And he has been a very creative soul ever since I know her. She is into something creative always. कुछ ना कुछ artistic बनाती रहती है ये बंदी. बड़ी तेज है. गोवा में रहती है अपने हस्बैंड के साथ. गौर कीजिएगा, देखिएगा. आई एम श्योर यू लाइक हर.
Hi everyone, I am Madhura from Mads Art Corner. Happiness to different people mean different things, but happiness to me means art. I can be involved in art for n number of hours and cannot be tired of it. In fact, I am at my happiest when I do art. So today, I am going to show you this piece of art that I created recently. Now, why did I choose this? As we all know, Nitesh is a great fan of Madhuri Dixit. And Madhuri Dixit, as we all know, symbolizes dance. Hence, the dancer's feet. So let's begin. This has been done on a canvas board. I have used a 12 by 12 inch square canvas board. We first begin by taping the corners. Why do we tape the corners? So that the color doesn't come out of the border and we get a clean and neat border like we've got here. To begin with, we first draw a dancer's foot. We then color it. For this, I have used acrylic colors. So this entire piece has been done using acrylic colors only. For this, I have used a flesh tint color. But now, if you don't get a flesh tint shade of color, you can create it. How do you create? You take orange, white and a little bit of red color and you get this color. This alta, as we call it, has been done using a red acrylic color. The nails have been painted white. Now coming to the ghungru part of it and the payal part. There's something called as a Fevicryl molded that is available in the market. This is just like the MC that we use in our house. So it has two things inside it. One is a resin and one is a hardener. So you take both of it in equal quantities and create a clay-like thing. First, I made small balls. I hope this is visible. I made small balls out of the clay that we created and I gave this texture using a knife. So just across using a knife. For the pile, again I have used the same clay. I just cut a strip out of it and gave the structure again using a knife and the small balls down there. So everything has to be stuck with Fevicol. We have to be very quick while doing everything because the clay starts drying in 20 minutes and it hardens so fast that you will not be able to work with it anymore. Next, we color the ghungru, the payal and the background using a black acrylic color. And we have to leave it like that for 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry. Once that is done, we take a golden acrylic color and paint the ghungru and the payal entirely. We just have to remember one thing, that we do not want to enter into these textures that have been created, otherwise it won't give the ghungru look. And last, we have to do the background. The background, as you see, there are some strokes that have been given. So this technique is called as a dry brush technique, wherein we take a dry brush, a dry flat brush, we do not use water and we just take a tiny bit of color in it and just give strokes like this and then it's done. and the masterpiece is created. I hope you enjoyed the video and do get back to me in case if you have any queries. My Instagram handle is mathsartcorner. Thank you so much. Take care.